How to create a business profile on Today. Setting up your business profile on Today is the first step to attracting new customers and showcasing your deals. Follow these simple steps to create a profile that stands out. Sign up and log in. Visit the Today website or app and sign up for a business account. Log into your merchant dashboard and navigate to the Places Manager section. Then create new and start setting up your profile. Enter business details. Provide business details including your business name and a compelling business description. Highlight what makes your business unique, such as your cuisine, specialties, or customer experience. Keep it short, engaging, and informative to grab attention quickly. Add your business type, contact information, and links to your website, menu, delivery service, or reservation platforms to drive engagement. Then add your hours of operation and physical location. Choose the food categories. Pick the food categories that best describe what your business is offering. Upload a logo and high-resolution images of your storefront, food, drinks, or signature offerings. Visuals help customers connect with your brand and increase engagement. Review and publish. Double-check your information and ensure everything is accurate. Hit create and your business will be live on Today for thousands of potential customers to discover. Once your profile is live, you can update it anytime to keep your information fresh and relevant. A strong profile means more visibility, more customers, and more sales. Get started on Today today.